Welcome back, designers. Today I'm going to show you how to create this scrollable list. Open Figma and let's get started. Add a frame. Create the header of our screen. Create a list that will scroll. Right now these are just rectangles. Duplicate them so they go beyond the screen boundaries. To quickly duplicate an element, use the shortcut Command +D. Wrap it all in an auto layout. Create a scroll bar. This will be a frame with a rectangle inside. Configure all the elements. Copy our frame and adjust the position of our list and scroll bar. Create the animation and test it. Works perfectly. In the second part of the video, I'll show how this looks in a real design. Just repeat all the previous steps again, and that's it. Yes, works great. Well done, designer. If the video was helpful, leave a like and comment what animation you'd like to see next. See you soon.